How much money does Makers Group make from YouTube? To answer this, I will show you from YouTube Studio, but before going directly to that, I'm peeling back the curtain on 3 years of Makers Group's YouTube journey, the real story, including earnings, mistakes, and triumphs. You'll hear about the highs and the lows, the laughter and the tears, the wins and the losses. This is a story about passion, resilience, and the relentless pursuit of a dream. It's about learning from failure and celebrating success. This ain't your average success story, but it's honest, packed with data, and might just motivate you to create the next big channel. Confession: I started with unrealistic expectations thanks to misleading info. Big mistake. My focus became money, not building a community. You see, I was lured by the glitz and glamour of YouTube success stories, which painted a picture of instant fame and fortune. But here's the reality check. It's not all sunshine and roses. The early days were tough, filled with trials and tribulations. I was discouraged by the low views and subs. But let me tell you, it's normal. We all start somewhere, right? The key is to keep going, to keep creating, and to keep learning. One colossal mistake I made was ignoring my viewers. I overlooked the fact that their needs mattered the most. I realized that the essence of YouTube isn't simply about creating videos. It's about building a community, engaging with your audience, and forming a connection with them. Also, consistency is king, and I learned that the hard way. I took long breaks, thinking it wouldn't matter, but boy was I wrong. Those breaks disrupted my rhythm and stunted the channel's growth. But here's an unexpected twist. After I stopped posting videos for a while, some of my content started gaining traction. Believe it or not, I hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. This ignited a spark of hope in me. And guess what? The YouTube Partner Program accepted me within a day. Unexpected twist. After stopping posting videos for a couple of months, some grew traction, hitting 1K subs and 4K watch hours. This ignited hope, and the YouTube Partner Program accepted me within a day. Monetization arrived, but instead of chasing riches, I prioritized building a loyal audience. That's right, it was a pivotal shift in our journey. We started to see money not as the end goal, but as a byproduct of delivering quality content and fostering a genuine connection with our community. The channel's growth and earnings after the shift were not meteoric, but they were steady and meaningful. 7 months into our journey, our total earnings were a humble $145.36. It wasn't a fortune, but it was a start. And more importantly, it was a sign that our shift in focus was paying off. Our first monthly payment in June of 2023 was just $1.03, and since then, it's grown to between $13 and $27 per month. The RPM fluctuated between 0.43 and 0.12 USD. Shorter videos meant fewer ads and thus less revenue. But the point is, we weren't chasing the money. We were chasing our passion, and that's what truly mattered. RPM varies from 0.43 to 0.12 USD. Short-form videos earn less. But remember, passion matters more than immediate bucks. While there is a payment, the joy of creating and connecting with viewers fuels my passion. Let's talk about the real payoff of this journey, beyond the dollars and cents. It's about the thrill of creating content that resonates, that sparks conversations, that brings people together. It's about the satisfaction of seeing a comment from a viewer who found value in what you've shared. It's about the pride of knowing you've made an impact, however small, in someone's life. The dollars, they're just a bonus. You see, the real currency of YouTube isn't money, it's influence. It's the ability to reach out and touch lives across the globe. It's the power to inspire, to educate, to entertain. And that, my friends, is priceless. So, if you're considering starting a channel, remember this. Follow your passion, not the promise of riches. Build a community that values your content and engages with your ideas. And above all, deliver value, because at the end of the day, leaders eat last. Focus on value first, money will follow. This wasn't a sugar-coated story, but a real look at our journey. Hopefully, it empowers you to create like a pro. We've unmasked the highs and lows of our YouTube voyage, debunked money myths, and emphasized the importance of community over currency. It's been a wild ride, but every stumble has taught us invaluable lessons. So, are you ready to embark on a journey of your own? Remember, it's not about instant success, but the joy of creating. Watch the video that I used to buy fake subscribers for my second YouTube channel and its unexpected result. Subscribe for more raw, honest YouTube insights. And hey, you might just be the next big creator.